So in today's video, we'll be showing you how to fix headphone showing on your phone. Sometimes when you just on your phone, you will see headphone sign as if you plug an earpiece in your mobile phone. So now, what are the causes of this headphone showing on your phone, and what you can do to remove that headphone sign in your phone? That's what we are going to discuss in today's video. So the causes of this headphone showing on your phone, what are some of the causes of it? One, it might be as a result of your phone, it might be as a result of water entering into your phone, or your phone fell into the water. So as a result of that, some of those legs will bridge inside. Sometimes when your phone fell into the water, you will see headphone spot or headphone logo showing on your phone, and because of this one, you can't play music. When your phone ring, you will not hear it because it is as if you plug a headphone on your phone or earpiece on your phone. Another thing is debris. For example, all these dusts and sand or even stones, when they enter into your phone, you will see that headphone spot, such like this one. Look at this one. You see that the PCB is very dirty. It can result to that headphone showing on your phone, or because of this one, you might see headphone showing on your phone. Another one, if your phone fell into a palm oil, groundnut oil, or other liquid other than fuel, you might experience something like that, or you might see headphone spot. So those are the causes of headphone showing on your phone. Number one, as we said, if your phone fell into the water, there's dirty on your phone, or you see something like oil or groundnut oil pour into your phone, so you will see that headphone spot. So now, what are the solution to this problem? The solution is, first, if your phone fell into the water, heat the phone properly. But before heating the phone, you need to rub some chemical like your fuel, spirit, or other liquid used in cleaning your mobile phone. So you need to brush that headphone spot properly. Brush it properly. So after brushing properly, what are you going to do next? You need to heat it. When I mean heat it, apply heat. You can use candle, soldering iron, a hot air blower to blow all these things. So after that, when you test it, you will notice that the headphone is no more showing there. But if the headphone show, what you have to do is to put sorry, I'm using one hand to record this video. You put your headphone like this. You put it like this, remove it. You put it, remove it, put it, and remove it. It will show. But if it doesn't show, what you have to do is to change the down board. If it's for Android phone, you change the down board. But another thing you have to do is to break those IC connected to the headphone. But one thing you need to know, when you break those IC connected to the phone, earpiece will never show. Whether you plug this earphone, you will never see any headphone on. If you know, you will never detect any headphone. So what you have to do when something like this happens, you replace this, or you fix those IC you break. So that is how to fix headphone problem on your phone. The same thing with this button phone. Brush properly, heat properly. If it persists, you remove this headphone spot, or if it still persists, you can break some of those IC on it. So when you do something like that, you will not see any headphone spots on your phone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow us on our Facebook, follow us on TikTok. See you in our next video. Bye.